Hello, welcome back to Sunshine and Country. We have found a natural predator to the Japanese beetle, which is surprising because normally they don't have a natural predator. But if anyone can tell me what kind of spider this is, right now it's in our muscadine vine, and as you can see, it's got a hold of a Japanese beetle. Of course, we don't have enough of these spiders to control the population, so we still have to spray them like we did in the other video we shared earlier. If you want to check that one out, to still treat the adult ones that still come in. But looks like this spider here, has got a hold of one naturally. And there's a close-up shot of it. So put it in the comments below if you recognize what this spider is, or whatever kind. Looks like a spider at least. And it does not want to let go of it. It's not in a web, so it's not a spider that spins its own web, that's for sure. There it goes. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I was out here spraying and I noticed this beetle got caught by something. I looked closer, it looked like a spider. That's amazing. Alright, hope y'all enjoy this and find it useful. If you see this spider, definitely don't kill it. Signing out for Sunshine and Country. Have a sunshiny day.